Hi everyone, I'm Adi and I'm going to demo Brakit. Brakit is a developer tool that shows you everything a server does. Every database query, every external call, every request, all grouped together by the user action that triggered them. Right now, developers view HTTP logs in DevTools, but with Brakit, they see the actual story of what the app did when some action is performed. Let's jump to the demo. I have a very simple Next.js app here with ORM as Prisma and database as Postgres. Let's first set up Brakit. To set up Brakit, you just have to run one command, npx brakit install. That's it. No extra step, and Brakit gets installed. To run, you just have to run your app like normal. So I'll run npm run dev, and my application starts. The application started at localhost 300, so the Brakit will start on the same port as your application, which will be localhost 3000 in this case. This is the action tab, and this is really the heart of the Brakit. We don't have anything here because Brakit captures live traffic. Let's browse the app first. DevTools would show you 40 individual HTTP requests, but Brakit groups them by what you actually did. Let me expand settings. See how perfectly Brakit captures the events in order and shows you all the endpoints for settings all grouped together. Here, you can see the endpoint that was fired. You can see the queries that were run and the response you got back. You can also see how much time each query took. This is a quick view, but you can also go to the detailed view and see the details of each API. More headers and more information about the headers, the response header, and your response body. Because Brakit sees every request together and not in isolation, the natural extension for it was to spot things a single request view cannot. So we added a security scanner that runs on your live traffic, not static analysis. Here, it caught some security issues, but we'll come back to this later and show you how Brakit helps you fix it without breaking a sweat. But before that, let's also see Performance tab. Because Brakit sees every endpoint, it has an ability to help grade every endpoint based on query count, latency, or how they trend over time. So if I refactor something tomorrow and it quietly gets slower or start hitting the database more, I'll see it right here. Let's jump to the overview section. This shows all the insights and findings that Brakit caught and are worth looking. You see, Brakit caught some repeated queries, redundant endpoints, along with some slow endpoints when we browse the application earlier. But the real value comes here. Going back to the editor, those findings were propagated from dashboard to the terminal, so users don't miss them. And because Brakit has a built-in MCP server, that means Cursor or Claude can read every finding that Brakit captured and fix it before code hits production. You can see here that either the user can go to the dashboard or simply ask AI to fix the finding. He'll do this. This will start the MCP server and fetch all the findings from the backend. Okay, so AI is done fixing the issues. And once the AI fixes the issues, you can see in the dashboard that Brakit correctly shows the badge that AI has fixed and is awaiting verification. So next time, if the user goes and uses the app, it will again reassess the issues and see if it was actually fixed. And if it was, it will mark it as resolved. And if there are any issues that cannot be fixed, those will be properly marked as well. So I'll go to my application and navigate to check if the issues caught were fixed or not. If I go back to the dashboard, I can see the issues were resolved and correctly marked so. This completes the loop of finding, fixing, and validating. Brakit's aim is to let you or AI code and provide deep insight for your backend. Brakit is local first and an open source tool. Thanks for watching.